what we have here is a 7-week-old kitten practicing his predatory strategies. He hasn't learned this, he hasn't copied it from his mother, he hasn't been taught it. This is, or rather these are innate motor patterns. Things that he will perform almost as a reflex. Oh wait. What he has here is a little chick, previously frozen, bought from a pet shop as snake food. But what he's doing is, well, when he's not playing with the cage door, is he's doing something that all kittens do called the mouse pounce on it, which is sort of rearing up on his hind legs and then coming back down. He's also backing off from it, pouncing it. What he's basically doing is practicing, there we go, that was a mouse pounce, for real hunting. He's very young, so none of this would be particularly effective in the wild. But he is nonetheless practicing his motor patterns. What he's doing here actually is more akin to what he does with the other kittens, the sort of the arched back. It's the beginnings of a threat display. Oh dear, and it's been noticed. The sort of crabbing up, the puffing out of the tail, the sort of bouncing sideways. That will, in much later life, be used as threatening. It's a form of aggression. Basically, when if he feels he's being threatened and he wants another cat to back off because he really wants to avoid a fight, he'll make himself look as big and scary as possible, possibly with growling and hissing. The whole point isn't to get into a fight in later life, it's to avoid a fight. His chick is in the process of being stolen. We'll give it back to him to see if he'll perform any more patterns. It's rather ineffective. But then I wasn't manipulating the prey like it really would in the wild, so he was probably a bit puzzled about what to do with it. There we go, lots of mouse pouncing, rearing up and smacking. And he's got bored and wandered off. Got pretty much exactly the same thing going on here, with a little bit of rabbit fur and another kitten, also 7 weeks old. He's performing almost exactly the same sort of set of sequences that the little ginger kitten was performing with the chick. It's all just practice, play behaviour, used as practice for later life. It's going on my lap too, where my hand is the unfortunate target. And in here, oh, did you hear that little ow? That was one kitten saying to another, "You're biting too hard." Teaches them how to play nicely. It's quite an important part of socialisation. I should say socialising. Right, now the chick is being actually eaten by a slightly older kitten, so I think that's quite enough of that.